Good morning to you, 8:45 on this Tuesday. You're looking at the National Weather Service radar, and here's Salem. And it's a little tough to tell, but if you go to the website and look at the radar this morning, you can plainly see that the rain is, for the most part, right along Portland to the north. You folks in Salem probably doing well just to get a trace of rain at most today. Remember that warm front that came over our area Monday morning? Well, that boundary actually has slipped back southward. We're now along that boundary. I do expect the boundary to push back to the north during the day today, which is why I think we have a good chance of this rain around noon or early afternoon pushing up to the north of Portland, giving much of the metro a fairly dry afternoon. Temperatures back up into the 50s. You folks up in Cowlitz County, Kelso, Longview could be looking at just occasional shots of rain coming through all day, and that would be the case up into Seattle. Now, just to let you know, it's possible that this boundary doesn't really move much at all today. If that's the case, we'll see what we have this morning. Portland continuing to be on the southern edge of a little bit of rain while Salem stays fairly dry. I don't think there's any chance of that boundary dropping to the south. Okay, cold front still on track for later tonight around 3, 4 a.m. Wednesday morning. Should get a decent rain band after midnight tonight with that. And then showers after the front on Wednesday. The big story behind the front will be the colder air. Snow level tomorrow down to 1,200 feet, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all days where the snow level is going to be around 1,000 feet or lower. And all three of those days, we could have periods of a mix of rain and snow in the air at times, typical scattered rain, snow shower stuff. There are a couple of disturbances that come down in the upper level flow pattern, one on Friday, one on Saturday, that could potentially fire a decent period of some moisture coming down. Maybe enough that some of the high hills actually get a coverage of snow. We'll see. All right, after that, we dry it out next week, and really the forecast overall looks fairly quiet for the next week, week and a half. All right, I'll talk to you soon.